My goodness, my MVP family. I just hope that you're outside enjoying this beautiful day today. Happy Sabbath. Guys, I'm outside without a coat on. It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. The sun is high up in there. Oh my golly. Look at the sky, guys. Look at that sun. Oh my God, it is February. Can you believe it? It is February. We have these beautiful skies. Like a regular spring day. It's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. I threw a little food there for the birds to come down and enjoy. I'm telling you, sunlight, it does a lot to your spirit, guys. Whenever, don't stay inside if you don't have to. Because the sun does something to your soul. Oh my God, look at those clouds. Look at that. Yeah, we can see that. Can I see it? It's beautiful, guys. It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. I'm so enjoying it out here. I am so enjoying it out here. It's a lot to be thankful for. Let's be thankful, guys, for these little things. Oh my golly. I'm telling you, the sun is so warm on my face. It feels good. But guys, whatever you're going through at this moment, I pray that God will give you some relief if you're not feeling well. If it's financial struggles, I ask Him to just open a door too for you, and so that things will change for the better. But regardless, guys, just be thankful. Give Him thanks regardless. Give Him thanks for every little blessing He has bestowed upon you. And remember that when you get your blessings, be a blessing to somebody else. That's how you're going to multiply yours. Yeah, you're going to go through the tough patches sometimes, but you know what? When you plant the seeds of kindness and they start blossoming and blooming, then when your tough patches come, we hope that somebody will be there to help you through. Enjoy the day, guys. It's a beautiful day where I am at. And so I'm hoping it is also a beautiful day where you are. It is summertime in the heart. It is summertime in the heart. Oh, so beautiful. And we thank God that we're able to see and feel all these beautiful things that He has bestowed to us. His handiwork on full display. There's a bird up in the tree. Am I looking at the right tree? It's all the way up there. He's not moving yet. I was hoping he would fly. But we're thankful, guys, so be thankful yourself. Take care. Miss Bev sending love, peace, joy, and good health. Remember, when you go to these doctors, then make sure that you're not just taking their words. Because sometimes, you watch these things that they advertise on TV or on the World Wide Web, and they make it seem like only if you're fat people that you're going to have all these diseases. But it's not so. It is not so. Skinny people have diabetes too. Skinny people have arthritis too. So don't ever make them think, or they have cancer too. Don't ever sit and because you're fat, you start internalizing and think, you go out and live your life. There are people out there walking every day, doing everything every day, trying to keep healthy, and yet things happen. So just live your life, and live your life, and as you live your life, just live so that others can live as well. All right? Love, 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 love you all. Take good care of yourselves. Smile a while, give your face a rest, and just love, love, love who you are. Embrace yourselves, guys, and be proud of yourselves. Give thanks, and you do what you have to do to make sure that you're content. Bye.